Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick note about the importance of your choice of coordinate systems and apply to acceleration as an example. So let's say you're riding your bicycle going that way, 20 meters per second. Is that realistic? That's like 45 miles per hour. So I'm saying yes, because since I was a teenager, I've always ridden like motorcycles and mopeds, and around 2008, I built an electric bicycle, and then that thing could generate 3 kilowatts, which is like 4 horsepower for what was a 100-pound bicycle. And I clocked that thing at 50 miles per hour, which is like 22 meters per second. So, yes, totally realistic. Okay, so let's say you're going 20 meters per second, uh, and then let's say you start your watch. So this is at 0 seconds. And then maybe 10 seconds later, you're going 50 miles per hour, 22 meters per second. And then let's say later on, you slow back down to 20. Okay, what's the acceleration here? And my point here is it depends on your choice of coordinates. So let's say you pick coordinates like this. Right, so if this way is positive, your velocity is actually negative, right? Because of the way you pick coordinates. So if you want to compute the acceleration here, it's final minus initial, right? So that's negative 22 minus negative 20 over 10 minus 0, right? 10 seconds. So your acceleration is, right, negative 0.2 here, right? How about here? So you're slowing down now, right, from 22 to 20, but then it's final minus initial. So it's negative 20. And again, this is negative because of how we chose coordinates. Minus negative 22 over 20 minus 10. Right, so this would be 0.2 positive, right? Okay, so just because you see negative, it doesn't mean like deceleration, right? The minus sign is there because of the choice of coordinates. So you can't just look at a value and say, oh, it's negative 0.2 meters per second squared, so that must mean I'm slowing down. In fact, we're speeding up from 20 to 22, right? And just because you see this as positive doesn't mean you're speeding up. In this example, we're actually slowing down. If we pick coordinates instead, like where x was going this way, then yeah, this would have been positive acceleration and this would have been negative acceleration. But I just want to point out that, right, it just depends on your choice of coordinates. Okay, thanks for listening. I'll see you on the next video.